There's a request to point out all of the repositories and places where I put information. Mostly it all starts from the front page of Blackboard here. And if you just if you just look through this table, there's a list of topics and chapter numbers. And a link to WebAssign is on the left. A link to WebAssign is at the top of the table. That's where the electronic textbook is, of course, and your homeworks. And this page right here is the lecture notes. And up at the top of the page is the YouTube recordings. I have to open that incognito because I'm logged into YouTube. So there's every class since the beginning of the semester. And then toward the end, we have the video lesson that I posted from fall 19, and then the examples that I did in spring of 2020. So get that out of there. PDF files of the notes are also here. We can zoom in on that. This is part 3, which is everything after exam 2. And if we go to the last page, right now it ends with Monday's lecture, but I'll tack on Tuesday's lecture so that you can see the examples that I may have done yesterday and today's lecture at the end of that. And then you'll see that this will get updated on May 7th or May 6th instead of May 5th. Then you'll know that you have the newest version available. Also worth looking at, of course, are the remote lab materials and remote lecture materials. So there's a link to my personal meeting room on WebEx. For the final exam, I'll create a separate meeting room and put links to it in an announcement or in the final exam page that you'll see on Blackboard. And this is where all the topics were listed with links to the textbook sections and previous lessons and previous YouTube videos for those lessons. So there is all your various sources of information.